Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope that you are having a great week. I do have a cold, so if I sound stuffed up, that is why. And if there's like choppy editing, it's because I'm cutting out sneezing and coughing because nobody wants to watch that. But I still wanted to sit down and film a video for you because I am so excited. I got my Boxycharm boxes in the mail. I do have two to share with you today, so this is a first for my channel, but I will be sharing my regular Boxycharm unboxing, but I also upgraded and I got the Boxyluxe box for the month of June. So I thought in today's video I would unbox both of them and we could go through and see if Boxyluxe really is worth the extra money. So Boxycharm is $21 a month. You get 4 to 5 full-size products and the value of the box is always over $100. I love Boxycharm. I think it is a great value. So if you sign up for Boxycharm and you want to upgrade to Boxyluxe, you pay an extra $28.99 every third month. So it comes 4 times a year. You get it in March, June, September, and December, and it's a lot bigger. So this one has a lot more full-size products inside, and it's also over $250 in value. I was just on their Instagram earlier today, and there are still June Boxyluxe boxes available at the time that I'm filming this. So if you are a new subscriber, you can upgrade within 24 hours to get the Boxyluxe box. So we'll see if it's worth the money. But if you guys have been subscribed to Boxyluxe, let me know how your experience has been. I would love to hear from you. I do pay for Boxyluxe. They send me Boxycharm. But either way, I always share my honest opinion. So let's jump into it and we'll see what's inside. Okay, so the original box actually is a little bit larger than normal, so I'm pretty curious to see what is in here. Okay, so the first thing in here is from Dominique Cosmetics. I'm actually really excited about this because I have only tried one product from the brand, but I've really enjoyed it. I have the Dominique Cosmetics Berries and Cream eyeshadow palette, and I think the quality is amazing. So, ooh, this is actually one of her, I believe it's a lip gloss. It has like a nice soft paddle applicator. This color is perfect for me, especially for summertime. I've kind of been getting into like peaches and corals and pinks, so I'm actually going to be able to get a lot of use out of this, and I'm just excited because I really do love my Berries and Cream palette, so I have high hopes for the rest of the line. The next thing in here is by the brand Touch in Sol. We actually got their No Poreblem primer a few months ago. I think we did, I'm pretty sure, and I really do enjoy that primer. It's one of my favorites. So this is the No Poreblem Prime Essence. I don't think I've ever heard of a prime essence, but it's supposed to tighten your pores and keep your skin silky and smooth. So it says that you use it as the last step of skincare, apply it and pat it over the skin. So technically this is a skincare product. Oh, it is super watery. I guess I've heard of an essence before, but I think technically, I want to say that they come in a spray bottle, but maybe not. I guess that I really don't use an essence in my skincare routine. So it feels like a serum. I was going to say it doesn't smell like anything, but honestly, I can't smell anything right now because I do have a cold. So it does sink into the skin nicely. My skin doesn't feel sticky or tacky. It makes my skin, actually it does make a difference. Like my hand looks really smooth. So I will definitely be trying this out. It feels like a cool product. It sounds interesting and I really don't have anything like this. Okay, the next thing in here is by the brand SKIN&CO ROMA. Oh, I actually have this product. I think that I got it in a subscription box a while ago, but it is one of the cleansers that I'm actually using right now. It is their whipped cleansing cream. And this is it's a really soft moisturizing cleanser. So it is perfect if you have sensitive skin. You'll really like it if you have dry skin as well. I do have oily skin, but I really like moisturizing products. I just find them to be very gentle, very comfortable on the skin. I personally love getting skincare products, and because this is something that I already enjoy using, it's nice to get it in my box so I can have a backup. I'll probably save mine for like the fall, winter season just because it is more of a moisturizing product, but I hope that you guys enjoy it if you get the chance to try it out as well. Okay, the next thing in here, we actually got 3 of these. These are sheet masks. If you guys like skincare, this is going to be your box because this is the 3rd skincare product inside. This is by the brand HARU. I hope I'm pronouncing it right, but these are the Wonder sheet masks. So it's supposed to correct pigmentation, boost radiance, and deeply hydrate for a brighter, even-toned complexion. So if you guys have dry skin, these 2 products are going to be really targeted toward your specific skin type. Okay, so the last thing in here is a palette. This is from Tarte. It is their Tarteist Pro Glow 3, and it is a cheek palette, which is kind of a nice change. I think that Boxycharm, they must be listening because a lot of people said, I mean, I personally love eyeshadow palettes. I never get sick of them, but I know a lot of people have been giving feedback that they're kind of sick of eyeshadow palettes. So I think I actually had the original Tarte Pro Glow palette back in the day, and I liked it, but at the time I wasn't really into like blushes and different bronzers, so I didn't get a lot of use out of it personally. This one sounds like it is the 3rd edition, so it comes with 2 blushes, 2 highlighters, and 2 bronzers. I know there was a cream bronzer in the original one, but it looks like both of these bronzers, yeah, oh, my pan is kind of loose. I'm going to have to glue it back in there, but it looks like both of these bronzers are powder bronzers, which is nice because I think I'll get more use out of them since they are powders, and the highlighters are powder as well. And of course, so are the blushes, so I will definitely be trying this out. I will say that my pans are a little bit loose, so I think it just kind of got maybe jostled a little bit during shipping, so I just have to be careful. This highlighter kind of looks like it's about to fall out, but everything is still intact. So you get 6 different cheek products. Wow. So this is a really, I'm assuming a really high value box. So the total retail value of the regular box is $119, but they did include some nice high-end brands like Dominique Cosmetics, Touch in Sol, Tarte, and then some skincare products as well. So I have to say this is probably one of the best Boxycharm boxes for 2019. I'm curious to hear about the other variations. So if you guys got different products, let me know in the comment section below. But let's open up the Boxyluxe box and see if it is significantly better, because this box was pretty good. So I usually wait until the end to look at the card just so everything's a surprise, but I'm kind of curious if there are any repeat products. I think some of the products are the same between the 2 boxes, so I'm just going to scan it really quickly. Okay, so it looks like 3 of the products are the same. So in my Boxyluxe box, I also got the No Poreblem Prime Essence from Touch in Sol, and then I got the Dominique Cosmetics Lemonade Lip Gloss in the shade Peach Tea, and then I also got the Tarte Pro Glow Cheek Palette. So I'll be giving away all of these products to one of you guys as well, because I don't need both of them. All you have to do is leave a comment in the comment section below, and I'll choose one of you guys and send those products out your way in about a week. Okay, so the next thing in here that we did not get in the original box comes in this bag. It's by the brand PYT. This is really cute. We got a little mini hair dryer. This is actually perfect for travel. I am heading out of town at the end of the month for 2 weeks, so it will be really nice to throw this in my suitcase, especially because I have to pack a lot of things. So I was already thinking that I was going to be short on space. So this will actually come in handy for sure. So the card says that it is a mini turbo on-the-go dryer. It's worth $85. I love that it comes with a mini diffuser and also like this attachment if you want smooth, straight hair. So honestly, that right there is worth more than the cost of Boxyluxe itself, if that's something you are interested in. Okay, the next thing in here is by the brand Living Proof. This is the Full Dry Volume Blast. So it is a hair product. It is an instant and lasting volume and texture. No, I just started reading the description like that's what it was. It's supposed to provide instant lasting volume and texture. So it kind of sounds like a texturizing spray. I actually really like texture sprays for the summertime because a lot of times I'll just let my hair air dry, and I kind of have wavy, curly-ish hair. It's mostly just wavy and frizzy, but if I let it air dry with like a good leave-in conditioner and then I spray a texture spray, it gives me more of like a beachy, natural look. Okay, the next thing in here is by the brand Pharmacy. It is their Honeymoon Glow AHA Resurfacing Night Serum. I actually just got this in the mail from Pharmacy not too long ago. They did send me one in PR, and I haven't had the chance to test it out yet, but I've really enjoyed the products from Pharmacy that I've tried, so I'll actually include this product in the giveaway for you guys as well because I do already own it. But essentially, it is a night serum that's supposed to resurface your skin. So you apply it at night before bed, and in the morning when you wake up, it's supposed to leave your skin looking really smooth and exfoliated and naturally glowy. So I am excited to try it out. I do really enjoy the products from the brand that I've tried, so I'll definitely include this in a giveaway so one of you guys can try it too. Okay, so the next thing in here is by the brand Trestique. I have tried a few of their products. They're kind of known for like their stick products. What is this? This is a little bit of a weird looking product. It says flip down to curl. Oh, I think it's an eyelash curler. Maybe, wait, let me open this up. Oh, this is actually a mascara. I did not even know they made mascaras. The only things that I've tried from the brand are their like eye products, their cheek products, their lip products. I thought they were kind of known for like those multitasking products, but apparently they have mascaras as well. Okay, let's reference the card again. This says that it is their Good Vibes mascara. So it says that it is the ultimate curling, lengthening, and volumizing product. It's an all-in-one lash curler and lash enhancing mascara. I actually don't curl my eyelashes. I am so scared of eyelash curlers. I think I just have this fear that I'm going to be like curling my lashes and then like my hand is going to slip or something's going to happen, and I just don't even want to think about it. So I personally do not use eyelash curlers. I'm just not big on them. But if you do, this might be a nice option for you. The only thing is that, I mean, I feel like this is a lot of packaging for a mascara, just because once you finish up the mascara, are you really going to hang on to this to use as an eyelash curler? So I do think it's convenient, but I do feel like it's a little bit bulky, a little bit wasteful, just in my personal opinion. And also, when I have used eyelash curlers in the past, the actual curler has been a lot bigger, so you could fit all of your lashes inside. I don't even, like, this would only fit half of my lashes inside. So I think it's an interesting idea in theory. I don't know how well it's actually going to work. Maybe the mascara itself is actually really good, but if you guys have tried this out, let me know what you think. Again, I don't know. I think it sounds cool in theory. I just don't know that I'm sold on the idea. Okay, the next thing in here looks like a candle. I don't think it's a candle. It's by the brand M.GREENGRASS. Yeah, it says hand and body butter. I wish I could smell it to let you guys know if I think that it is a good scent. The packaging is really cute. I don't think that I've ever tried anything from this brand, but it says the fragrance notes are coconut, cherry, orange, jasmine, lilac, lily, driftwood, sandalwood, musk, vanilla, and amber. So it has a lot of notes to it. It feels nice on the skin. It definitely doesn't feel overly moisturizing, but I think that can actually be a good thing for the summertime, just because I personally don't like a super heavy hand and body lotion for the summertime. I actually like the jar packaging. I know that it's not necessarily as sanitary as like a tube, but I do think it's really cute. This brand, or this product in general, would probably make a cute gift. If you aren't into it, you could throw it into like a housewarming gift, or, you know, save it if you have like a birthday or a holiday coming up. But I do think that this is a fun product to get, and I'm excited to use it and actually smell it once my cold goes away. And the last product in here is by the brand Dr. Brandt. It is their Clean Biotic pH Balanced Yogurt Cleanser. So I personally don't use Dr. Brandt. I only purchase cruelty-free products. So when I do get one in a subscription box, on the rare occasion that I do, I just donate the product. But I know a lot of people do like the brand, and that's another skincare product. We got a lot of skincare and a lot of hair care products in the two different boxes. So if you like skincare, this is going to be a great option for you, this box or the regular Boxycharm box in general. Okay, so I added this one up. The total retail value of the Boxyluxe box is $341. I actually think there were a lot of great products in this box. I personally think it's definitely worth the extra $28.99. I paid for this myself. I think that there are a lot of great products inside. I think this might be a good alternative to FabFitFun. FabFitFun is one of my favorites. I personally love that they include a lot of random products, but I know some people don't love like the home decor, the wellness products, the fitness products. If you are a beauty subscription box lover and you want makeup, skincare, and hair care, this might actually be the one for you. For $50, we got like $350 worth of beauty products, and I feel like a lot of these brands are really good brands. They're brands that you can find at Sephora. They are well known. There are some nice products in here, so I am really impressed by this box. I'll definitely film the, what's the next one? September box as well. But based on my experience with my first Boxyluxe, I definitely think it's worth upgrading or subscribing. I'm really, really impressed by it. Even the original Boxycharm box was really good this month though, so I do think it was just a good month all around. Thank you guys so much for watching. I had a lot of fun unboxing everything and just sharing my thoughts with you. I would love to hear your thoughts. If you got different products in either box, let us know in the comment section below. But otherwise, I'll see you guys very soon with a new video. Bye.